June 16, 2020. It is a Tuesday. Got this pressure washer from Shank's. I'm not sure what this black stuff is on the concrete, but I think it's like mold or something. I don't know. I see some lichen on here. That takes a little bit longer to remove. Although it looks like it's fun, it's not. You guys think it looks like fun? Get over here and do it for me. I do have a gasoline powered one that I purchased from Costco. Kathy purchased for me. So I'll try that next. I think that one goes up to like 3,300 PSI. This one will go up to 1,750, I believe. So I'm just doing it around the pool area. And I don't know, this is really the dark part of the pool area. The rest of them look too bad, but it's almost like, I don't know, I'm thinking maybe it's because the water kind of sits here. It doesn't really ramp off of the concrete. I don't know. Oh, by the way, just announced Dave Voss just retired. So he retired on Kathy and my wedding anniversary. That means we get to remember each other's momentous occasions. I've been retired now for 1.5 years. And it was a pretty cool thing. Not that I didn't like my work. I really enjoyed my work. Especially dealing with the maintenance guys. I know you guys don't watch this thing, so I can say that about you. I'm being sarcastic, by the way. You know, because as an engineer, there's things you want done. And one of the talents is to actually getting it done. You know, they got all these plans and ta-da! It don't always happen. Like I said, I wouldn't say this if I knew you guys were watching it, so. But we did enjoy each other. I had a lot of fun with maintenance guys. Once they do their job, they do an excellent job. I mean, a really, really good job. And at Adient and Lear, the work they did was robust. They didn't have to call them back ever. These guys are professionals. But they like to mess with me. I guess I'm a big target. Just a softie. But if you come in there, even if you got your stuff in order, your directions in order, and you come in like a bull, thinking you're all that, nah, they don't take that lightly. They pretty much put you in your spot. And I get that. But like I said, I really enjoyed working with them. I tease them a lot. And they tease me more than I tease them. Like I said, I was a big target. Just a Mr. Nice guy. Oh yeah. It's always good to be nice and know what you're talking about. And don't try to buffalo these maintenance guys. They're not stupid. But it's always easier when they don't ask questions. And many times the engineers are not right. The way I look at it is an engineer has been in school for 4 years, but what did that all entail? You know, it wasn't just design, it was English. It wasn't just hydraulic theory and application, it was the humanities, like the arts and stuff. Well, the maintenance guys work on their stuff 8 hours a day, and 5 to 6 days, sometimes 7 days a week. So yeah, they're going to be authorities of the area they work in. So you got to be careful. The same thing with the operators. They run one particular machine, and I think of the tube benders. Tube bending is an art and a science. And when these guys run the tube benders all day long, a lot of math and geometry. Well, geometry is math, but it's pretty cool. So we all respected each other at Adient, and it worked out really good. They're doing up systems, blowing smoke. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's me. It's me, Dirk Haaf.
So I think this thing is worth what I paid for it, which is $0. I would only use this for like cleaning motorcycles and cars and stuff. The pressure isn't high enough to do what I'm doing right now, in my humble opinion. I'd need something that's like in the 3,000 range to do this, so let me blast all the old water off. I mean, it's a night and day difference, guys. So John, Shank, and family, I thank you very much for this tool. Burn the motor out. So I figure if I do one section, there's a lot of sections here, guys. Where is everybody? Why is nobody swimming in this wonderful pool? If I do one section a week or a day, I could have this thing done in 2 weeks, so maybe an hour a day. But the thing is with that more powerful one, oh yeah, it would clean this thing up so fast. I think I'd probably get the whole thing done in probably a day. So I'll be using this thing, like I said, mainly for cars, motorcycles, and hopefully Kathy doesn't see it, she'll use it on me. You think I'm kidding? Nah, she's pretty cool. So we're going to Kalamazoo today. The girls, kids set us up in some kind of bed and breakfast. I'll be posting videos on that, so watch for it. Guys, this looks really good. I'm really impressed with how this thing did. Thanks again, John and family. It doesn't take a lot of water. Our water pressure is really, really bad here. It's well water. It's not the 60-pound pressure PSI from like what we get in the city. So if this video also rudely gets stopped, it's because I'm using my iPhone. Surprise, surprise. You see all the spots on the screen? Well, it's not your screen, it's my lenses. So, all right, I'm gonna
Call this one lesson in pressure washing.
Oh, that leaks where I attach the hose to each other. So, yeah, this is what it looked like before. This is what it looked like after. Now with my Harbor Freight one pressure washer, I did this section right here. You can see it, but doesn't look too bad. So this section right here. So compare this with this. I started doing a little bit over here, but so you can see what it looks like. I'm starting to think, hey, you know what? If I would scrub this stuff, it'd probably look just as good as that. That looks really good, guys. I'm really impressed. So I'll do a birdshot eye view of this pool. We plan on putting a gazebo right here. A big giant gazebo with wood, you know, like patio flooring. But fake wood, I'm not going to use. Composite wood, I'm not going to use wood decking. Why not? Because it really gets ugly. It's quick. Very fast. So anyway, that's it, guys. Long enough video. That's the unit right here. Karcher. Like I said, I don't know how much pressure it is. Horses are out. I fed them, and I'm still amazed at how that grapevine arbor looks. I'm impressed. I impressed myself. All right, see you guys. Bye.